Here you've got a circle within a circle, and from here to here is 4, from here to here is 6. Work out the area of this donut. Okay, so to do this, let's call this length here r for the radius of the big circle, and this length here must be, well, it would be r take away 4. So this length here from here to here would be r take away 4. So now use Pythagoras on this bottom triangle here, on this triangle. So using Pythagoras, r squared, the hypotenuse squared, will be hypotenuse squared equals this thing squared, which will be r minus 4 squared, and then this thing squared will be 6 times 6 will be 36. Multiply this out, that would be r squared minus 8r plus 16, and then drag this thing down, r squared. Now single number, merge them together, that would be 52, and the two r's, they cancel each other out, so this will be 0. So now you want to get r on its own, add 8x to both sides, add 8r to both sides. That will then give you this 52, and then divide both sides by 8. So r equals 52 over 8. Divide top and bottom by 2. So this will be 4. This will be 26. Divide top and bottom by 2 again. 13 over 2. The radius there is actually 13 over 2. Once you know the radius, you can just get the area of the big circle, take away the area of the small circle. So the donut, so area of the donut, capital A, is equal to the radius, the big radius, which is 13 over 2. So that will be, remember the area of the circle is pi r squared. So put this into the r. So the area of the big circle will be 13 over 2 squared times pi, and then you take away the area of the small circle. Now you know the radius is 13 over 2, so you put it into here to work out this length. So the radius, the small radius will be, hang on a blank space somewhere. The radius of the small circle will be 13 over 2 take away 4, because look, from here to here is r take away 4, so it's r take away 4. So that would be, the number 4 is really 8 over 2, so that would be 5 over 2. So the radius of the small circle is 5 over 2, so it would be pi 5 over 2 squared, and then factor out the pi, so that will then give you this 13 squared over 4, take away 25 over 4, and this is your answer. Jump to a calculator, work this out, and times it by pi. That will be your area. Okay.